In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you don't have bat pins and you want to throw with a bat, or your wheel head's too small and you can't fit a bat. So no bat pins, small wheel head, no problem. Let me show you how to do it. Hey everybody, it's Jeff. I've been loving this little VEVOR pottery wheel because it's so light. I can just pick it up and I can take it outside. I can make pots outside. I can use a different clay than the porcelain in my stoneware, so I don't have to worry about contaminating my studio. And it's summertime, we're in Florida. There's a nice breeze coming off the ocean. There's birds singing. I can get lots of sunshine, although it's a little cloudy today, and just really enjoy being outside. The one thing that I thought could be better about this wheel is that the wheel head's too small to use bat pins. And I'm a big proponent of bats. I love these little square bats. And I don't know where I saw it, but I saw someone using a chamois to put down the wheel and hold a bat, and I was amazed that it worked. So a couple videos ago, I made a video about these swim chamois that take off streaks off of everything. They're amazing. If you haven't watched that video, it didn't get much love. I think it's a really good video. I'll put it up there. But these swim chamois, I'm pretty sure would work to hold down the bat. In fact, I know now because I tried it. But you can put these down on the wheel head and it holds the bat perfectly in place while you're using it, so you can throw right on the bat. But all my swim chamois I cut up into these little small pieces, and I wanted to get one that was the same size of the wheel. So I went to Walmart. In the car section, I got this product, which is just for wiping down your car. Some absorbent chamois, but I'm pretty sure it's the same material. It is 100% PVA, and it feels like the same thing as the swim chamois. So we're gonna try and see if we can use one of these for our wheel head and solve the problem of no bat pins. Let's find out if it works. So I've laid the chamois on the wheel. I'm just gonna loosely cut it out. There's a ton left over. Clean up the studio or make one for another wheel. I'm gonna use my Sharpie to draw a perfect circle on here. And to help me center the bat, I'm going to get this pretty well centered up and then draw a circle. That's probably pretty good right there. So I'm gonna just make a circle in this area, and I'll be able to put the bat right on that circle, and it should be about centered up. I have a feeling this might also work really good for trimming too, so I'm gonna put in just another couple of smaller circles in the inside to help you center up something while you're trimming it. Let's give it a go. You can see how well that chamois holds onto that little square bat. Now, of course, this would work on any pottery wheel. It's not just good on the VEVOR, it'll work on any brand, and it'll grip right on your bat, no bat pins needed. I just really liked how well this worked, and I was very surprised. Give it a try. The bats just pop right off with a wooden knife. Come right off. And I'm pretty sure you can trim on that too. Got a couple pots ready to trim. We'll try it out. So I got these pots that I threw earlier today. Gonna raku fire them in the VEVOR electric kiln. So I'm just gonna trim this edge off. See if that helps stick them to the wheel. Okay, so this one's clearly gonna need a chuck, so we'll center the chuck on there, but I think it'll hold the chuck in one place. Little tap center, put our pot on the chuck. I apologize at my camera angle here. I'm terrible at framing things up sometimes, but you can see how well it's holding onto that chuck, and I'm sure this would work equally as good on a bowl or something wide and flat. So as you can see, these chamois work great to hold down our bats. They work great to hold down our chucks, and I think they'll work great for trimming things like bowls. get yourself a chamois. A swim chamois will work, or anything that says PVA, and I wouldn't be surprised if regular leather chamois works too. Anyway, I'm using PVA chamois. Works great to get off streaks off your tables, hold your bats down. Don't forget to check out those videos on how to get rid of the streaks. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.